Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a Line account. So if you want to create your Line account, first of all open up your Line application. After opening your Line application, tap on sign up. So after tapping on sign up, you have to verify your account. So choose a Gmail account which you would like. After choosing an account, tap on continue. So after tapping on continue, you have to choose a name for your account. After choosing a name, tap on the green arrow which is on the bottom right and then select a password, and now select the password for your account. So after filling your password in the first blank, you have to re-enter the same password in the second blank. So after re-entering your password, tap on the green arrow. And after tapping on that green arrow, you have successfully created your Line account. This is how you create your Line account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.